This girl is already dead, but she just doesn't realize it yet, because while at a lake with her friends, she casually dipped her head underwater. At first, everything felt normal, as she was having fun with the water, until she suddenly felt something entering her nose. She instantly panicked and rushed back out of the water, but it was already too late. By the next day, something was clearly wrong. Her skin began to change color, and her condition kept getting worse. When she finally went to the doctor, they told her something terrifying. She had been infected by a deadly parasite, and her time left was extremely limited.
Get the water off.
Oh, fuck! Holy shit! Fuck.
Another one.
I love that. And before we go, you want to show me one of the most expensive seafood pieces here? Let me get my gloves on to hold it. Ali and Atco. Oh my goodness! You didn't tell me it was a big crab. Oh my goodness! Let me go. You want to hold it?
Look at the size of that.
Don't get too close,
It's alive, right?
It's a
Oh
lot.
my goodness.
Oh my god!
Look at just weed
Oh
all
my
over it.
goodness! It's like suffocating my hand right now.
Hey Taylor, can you give
That's
it a kiss?
huge! Wow, we're not mucking around.
Can you give it a kiss? Oh, don't go to the front.
Give me a kiss.
Oh,
Oh, it's got my finger!
Oh, no.
It's got my finger! It's got my finger!
Oh, no, we're
It's
having
actually
a-
got my finger!
oh no.
Guys, we'll go back to you guys.
All
It's
right,
got my
Tay.
finger.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Tay. Yeah,
Mike.
let's
Oh my God. Well,
Yeah,
leave
see
them
you
to
guys,
rectify
see you
that
guys.
Yes.
situation. We didn't want to leave you at home without an update from our weather presenter, Taylor Haynes, and her incident with a crab down at the Sydney Fish Market. Let's bring in Tay now.
hey Tay, are you doing okay?
Hey guys, yeah, look, it wasn't on my bingo card for 2026. Look, at the start it was funny, and I think my whole crew and everyone here thought like we were making a joke out of it, but the crab got my finger, and it was not letting go, wasn't it, Mike?
No.
It was holding on for dear life. You had to. How did you eventually? I can't even remember. I'm still in shock. But how did you get the crab to let go? It wasn't letting go.
We ended up getting a big metal bar to go in and pry its claw actually
It took
open.
a while.
Yeah.
It did take a good while, but I will be going to hospital after this. I unfortunately
okay.
couldn't read my last bit of weather, but yeah, the pain's real. If you want to, yeah, I've got no movement, but yeah, it's awful. We need to arrest that crab. Where is he?
Yeah, it's incredible. I saw a guy get pinched yesterday by this tiny little thing, and he was squealing. She took it like a champ. We didn't even know you were actually pinched because you were just pain tolerance is high.
Yeah, so yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah, we didn't
but yeah, we'll
realise
be
the
right. Thank you so much
seriousness
for checking in, though.
At first, Tay, because you're so brave. And
You handled it very
sorry
well.
to hear about your finger. We can't wait to see you back on the show. And if there's one silver lining, I'm sure you get some free crab cakes out of this now.
Go.
Like, there's got to be punishment for that crab, surely.
I know. I was waiting for something. I was waiting for something like that. Surely I get a free crab out of this.
I know what's for
Oh,
dinner.
I don't even want to look at it. Thanks, guys.
Thanks,
I appreciate
Tay.
you checking
Tay,
in.
you're a tremendous sport.
Trooper.
Thank you so much.